So we are Barrows. AI isn't just the be-all and end-all of what we want to talk about today. It's just a tool in our quiver. To say AI is taking jobs is to look at it in the same way electricity changed manufacturing, or the idea that the internet killed books.
All these AI tools that are coming out are for creatives, and they still require a creative mind.
So now what's happening is the work that we were doing in 2 days, 3 days, 2 weeks, 2 months is exponentially better and accelerating at the same speed that these tools are available to us. I mean, if you came to me now, you're like, what is creativity? Everyone's like, oh, creative, someone that can design or use Photoshop or make a freaking logo. I'm like, no, it's problem solving.
There's never been a more exciting time to be a creative. Out of the entire 14 years that I've been in the creative industry, there's never been a more exciting time. You've got all these incredible tools at your disposal to just create amazing stuff. And you can choose not to use it as well. It's like there, use it or don't use it.
Being a creative it's not based on the tools you use.
Yeah.
It's based on it's you. It's part of your identity. People identify as creatives. So saying that AI is going to replace creatives it's almost like a null statement.
AI is not going to take your job, but someone using AI is.
Well, yeah.
And that's the truth, because AI is a tool.
I mean, part of one of the questions here is like, what advice would you give students like coming into this field? It's like, invest in yourself. Go spend $100 a month or whatever it is. Go spend some money on AI creative tools and see what it can do to elevate your creative output. He always says to me, my job is to replace you with AI, and your job is to prove that you could never be replaced by AI. So I'm constantly like just pushing to be like using AI to my advantage as opposed to it using me to its advantage. Don't let AI intimidate you, or don't like resist it out of just like being stubborn, you know? Just don't go like, guys, I'm not using AI because I'm a traditionalist. It's here, it's never going away. Lean into it, use it to your advantage and learn it as much as you can. Move with the times or you get left behind.
It's not just us, like our field and our industry that needs creatives. It is like the world, and it's the one thing that AI will never be able to replace. Like AI can generate assets, but it cannot design meaning.
Yeah, you've got to almost see AI as like your workforce. There's so many different platforms out there.
The person that excels is the one that goes, oh, I'm going to pull these things together in a new, unique, and interesting way and make something incredible. Faster, better, higher quality.
Also, don't neglect your core creative tools that you've got available to you. There's still a very big need for being like really good at Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Cinema 4D. Those are the tools that are going to help you make sense of everything that you create in AI.
Okay, so why are we working with Cape Town Creative Academy? We saw it in the work of the people we were dealing with from the university. We do these like agency nights, we do showcases, we go work with the students and we listen to their portfolio pieces. I think it's as simple as like they can think and they can do.
Yeah.
And that's the biggest thing for us. Is you meet people and they've got big ideas, but they don't quite know they don't have the skills to execute, and you've got other people and they're quite technical, but the work is not great. But when you sit with some of these students, it's like, this is well considered and it's well designed.
The transdisciplinary kind of learning that they've gone through allows for a really well-rounded end product or end project.
We are planning a AI workshop at CTCA at some point, so come on down and check us out. We've got a lot to talk about. Everything you see playing out here had some sort of AI involvement, and we just can't wait to tell you how we managed to bring these jobs to life with the use of AI as well as our own hands.